Namaste. Welcome to Wholesome Living Through Food, a mindful collaboration between yoga and you and home cooking. Today we are going to make a Satvik Palak Paneer. This has no onions and no garlic. This dish is light on digestion and supportive of calm energy and clarity. This is a beautiful recipe for yoga practitioners and it is also suitable for everyday nourishment, perfect for those festival days or anytime you choose to eat mindfully. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I've taken 400 grams of fresh paneer. Make sure you cut into reasonable size pieces. You don't want them too small or too large. So I've just cut into medium size cubes like these. You can cut the paneer pieces like this. Next, to marinate the paneer pieces, you can transfer to a nice big bowl. Season it with salt. So I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of salt, about half teaspoon of pepper and about half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Just gently mix that in. Just make sure that the paneer pieces are coated with that spice powders. It's very important that you use fresh paneer while making this dish. Keep this paneer aside. So next we're going to blanch the palak leaves. I've taken about 1 large bunch of palak leaves, washed it nice and clean. I'm just going to add it into the hot water. Just make sure that the leaves are all completely immersed in the hot water. We're just going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the stove. Remove and just drop them into a nice bowl of chilled water. So this will just stop the cooking process as well as retain the beautiful green color of the leaves. So transfer the cooled palak leaves into the mixer jar. Next, I'm adding a handful of fresh coriander leaves with the stalk. To this, add 2 green chilies cut up. Also, I'm adding 1 piece of ginger finely chopped. Now this is roughly about 1 tablespoon. Just grind everything to a nice fine puree. Keep the palak puree aside. For the cashew paste, I've taken 15 whole cashew nuts and soaked it in water. Just grind it to a nice fine paste and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to roast the marinated paneer pieces. To a pan, just add a little ghee. I'm just adding about 1 tablespoon. So you can see the paneer pieces are coated beautifully. Gently drop them into the pan. Keeping the flame on medium-low, just make sure all the pieces are roasted. We're just going to lightly roast them. Paneer is one of my favorite ingredients. So let me know in the comment section how much you like paneer. So you can see I've just roasted the paneer just for about 5 minutes. Remove the paneer from the pan and keep it aside. To a nice white kadai, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Next, add the whole spices, a piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamom and a few cloves and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Keeping the flame on low, just lightly roast the whole spices. To this, I'm adding 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped. Saute the tomatoes for about 2 minutes. Next, add the spice powder starting with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Keeping the flame on low, just mix everything well. So after 30 seconds, I'm just going to add the palak puree. So you can just dilute this by adding a little bit of water. And just give it all a nice mix. So let this cook on medium-low flame for about 5 minutes. So once the oil has separated after 5 minutes, I'm just adding the cashew paste. So this is going to add a little bit of richness and creaminess to the gravy. So you can see that instant color change. After 2 minutes, add half teaspoon of garam masala powder and give it a good mix. You can check for seasoning at this point, and if you do need to add a little bit of salt, you can add it. Next I'm adding half teaspoon of amchur powder to balance the flavors. Just going to give the curry a very mild tanginess. After about a minute, add the roasted paneer pieces. So now we're going to let the paneer pieces absorb all those beautiful flavors. Close the kadai and let this simmer for about 5 minutes on medium-low flame. So after 5 minutes, let's check on our delicious palak curry. Wow, just look at that gorgeous palak paneer. It's such a simple and easy recipe. So we've not used any onions or garlic. This Satvik Palak Paneer is best enjoyed fresh, served with soft rotis or simple steamed rice. Light on the stomach yet deeply nourishing. This is the kind of food that supports both body and mind. If you enjoy cooking for a yogic lifestyle, like, share and subscribe to Yoga and You. I'll catch you in another episode. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy and stay nourished.